Hello everybody! This video is not like full episode, it is just trailer for coming video. I started new project. In this project I'm trying to train neural network to control worm. And not just one worm, but 3 different worms. So technically, physically, they are the same, they can do the same, but difference is in the brain. 3 worms, 3 brains. The difference between brains is quantity of neurons. So we will have like stupid worm, like middle worm and and wunderkind worm. If you enjoy this project, if you want to see a continue of this, please like this video. It motivates me to continue this job, because education of neural networks is a really long process, and then trying to put it in the single story, it's more complicated part of the creating video episode for me. So any advices, any questions, please feel free to comment this video. Hope you will enjoy by these funny moments that I catch during the education. See you in the full video.